is gold, numbers blur. A story told, long division, a steady hand, trying to make sense of this barren land. Each quotient a breath I hold, the calculation, brave and bold. The red box gleams, a closed-off thought, a yellow pencil tightly caught. It rolls and stops, a silent plea. This lacquerware won't open for me. I keep dividing, you keep multiplying. Lacquer doesn't crack, it just gets deeper. This scholarly ache, a quiet crying. My heart a math problem growing steeper. The tutor arrives, a gentle knock, sees the desk, the ticking clock, a single box of vibrant hue. He leaves it there, knows what to do. Doesn't ask, just turns away, leaving me to face the day. The red box gleams, a closed-off thought, a yellow pencil tightly caught. It rolls and stops, a silent plea. This lacquerware won't open for me. I keep dividing, you keep multiplying. Lacquer doesn't crack, it just gets deeper. This scholarly ache, a quiet crying. My heart a math problem growing steeper. A beck speeds, a gentle clink. Dust motes dance, I start to think. Each beat a moment lost in time, a slow confession, a silent rhyme. I keep dividing, you keep multiplying. Lacquer doesn't crack, it just gets deeper. This scholarly ache, a quiet crying. My heart a math problem growing steeper. The pencil stills, the sun departs. Shadows stretch, then tear